Okay, so first off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. The point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company with Google and an online presence. I'll go over a couple key factors you need to rank your business online and how to create some more exposure. Uh, Top three things within a website that Google is looking for is content, backlinks, and citations. Now, understand everything that you type into here in the Google search bar. This is considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria for what's been typed in here. Search engine optimization, or SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keywords and then categorizes those websites, and this is how you establish a rank factor. Now, you typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and number of keywords. So here, for example, I typed in Fence Company Fayetteville. That's where you guys are listed as an address that you're out of. And of course, we have some ads at the top here. Just kind of show you a little bit how this works in case you've ever wondered how do companies get on the first page of Google. So we have the map area here. Everybody's familiar with the map area or the map pack. This is your Google Business Profile. If you don't have a Google Business Profile, it's highly recommended that you have one. It will show the service area that you cover, and it is great for near me searches, fence company near me. With the area that you cover, it generates a lot of local traffic, a lot of local exposure, and becomes sales. And part of this ranking structure here in the map is connected to citations. Citation is anything that has a name, address, and phone number, just like your business profile, and that helps you rank right in here within the map. Once Google sees your business being referenced, you have citations and a local area of coverage, you start to move up and rank within this map section. Underneath the map is the organic ranking. So how does I'm sorry, how does a company get here organically ranked? I'm going to go into that a little bit here for a minute. We see number one, we have Fayetteville Seegers Fence Company. This is a best fence company, kind of a, I don't know if that's an advertisement or not, I'm not quite sure. We have Big Jerry's Fencing here. And then a little bit further down at number five, we have the RNK Fence and Decks.com. So let's start with, I think I plugged in Seagram's Fence number one because he's in the first position. This is his website. What I have is a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it allows me to go behind the scenes and see what's going on with the website and why it's ranking and how it's there. So I said backlinks, content, and citations are key factors. So here with backlinks, a backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build popularity, and it is a direct factor into getting the rank structure. Not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, you wouldn't want Pizza Hut referring back to you. It's not going to carry as much weight as another fencing company talking about you or referring back to you from their website. Whatever these backlinks that are in here, you can have them just as well as this particular company does or more. He also has 747 referring domains or other websites connected to him from this. And it looks like he has about 3.7 thousand keywords, and that's generating 6,000 views per month of traffic. That is a lot. That is why he's probably the number one on top. To take a look at how this works a little bit. So, like I said, everything that you type into the Google as a search, this is the volume or the amount of times per month that a particular phrase or word is typed in a search for. So commercial gates is searched 600 times a month. Commercial gates and fences 250 times a month. Fence company Raleigh 450 times a month. Fence company Raleigh, fence and gate company 400 times. Residential fence companies 500 times a month. So you see collectively when you add all of these all this volume up for the keywords that are being searched, it creates a lot of exposure to your website should you have the right content built into it with the keywords to help you rank. Now, what else do we have here? Let's go with number 3, Big Jerry, R&K Fencing. It's his website. No, I'm sorry, I didn't go. I didn't go with Big Jerry. Excuse me, I went with R&K Fencing. So he's at number 5. So to show you the difference between first spot and the fifth spot, this would be his site and how he ranks in here. Now he only has 9 backlinks, 3 referring domains, but he has 95 keywords generating him 100 views a month per traffic. So that is a huge scale of a difference, but it shows you how simple it is to have the right content and simply what people are searching for on Google within your website to get you the traffic that you're looking for and put you on the first page. So when you bring this together, it's important to understand how the content, the backlinks, citations, the Google Business Profile, when you bring this together and Google starts to recognize you, it'll start to move you up the ranks. You're being seen for people that are searching. It creates like an authority of your business that you services you offer, and it creates a lot of exposure. There's a lot of companies that can build websites, but they may fall short with the content and the SEO. You might ask yourself, I just spent X amount of dollars on a website, but business hasn't really increased. So what's going on? It's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. If it isn't built right, you're not going to see it. Nobody's going to see it. So it's important to have a well-built site and have all these things come together and put you into the Google algorithm to get you exposed to bring in the clients that you're looking for. I just want to take a minute and explain that. Maybe that's helpful. Maybe you have a better understanding of how businesses rank on the first page of Google and how to bring in some more leads and clients to you through this process. With that being said, if you had any questions or you wanted to reach out and talk, I'd be more than happy to. Thank you and have a nice day.